All right, the works I'm going to read to you are examples of the dark pastoralism in this book. This is a series of works, all of which have the same title, Genetic Engineering. 1. Arabidopsis thaliana, otherwise known as Thale cress, is the flowering ephemeral plant native to Eurasia. The leaves of the cress are mauve-green with serrated edges, forming a rosette at the base of a long stem with tinier leaves attached to the stalk. The blooms consist of small white florets clustered into a corymb around the crown of the plant, and each fruit consists of a silique containing twin rows of seedlets. The Thale cress is the first of all species of flowers to have its genome sequenced. Moreover, the flower is also the first plant to have a line of poetry enciphered as a gene into its DNA, so as to showcase the use of such biotechnology in the labeling of transgenic vegetation. A viable strain of this plant now contains a Latin phrase from Book 2 of the Georgics by Virgil, Nec vero terre ferre omnes omnia possunt, nor can the earth bring forth all fruit alike. 2. This is Virgil the Georgics, Book 2, lines 109 to 119. Nowhere has soil borne fruit from every seed, for willows brood astride the shaded brooks, and birches gleam in bitter glades. The cairns hold fast to spruces, and the swales give root to myrtles, yet sparse slopes of grit love best the ronces, while sullen fields of snow grow lush with larches. Mark the plains by distant tillmen plowed, be these rustics arabesque or Byzantine, each orchard claims its realm. No rainstorms but in swollen jungles drench the proud boughs of ebony. No windstorms but in forlorn deserts scorch the brute thorns of myrrh. My words are but hanging gardens for balsams and berries soaked in perfumes. 3. Genetic engineering. A song for toy piano, typewriter, and speak and spell, performed with orchestral maneuvers in the dark. Productive, functional, and convenient, language orchestrates our environment, augmenting our intelligence, switching our enrichment to better breeds of life. Asylums, mothers, cocoons, and forceps beget creatures butchered by engineers. We, the infernal children, the offspring of your hives, sing to you like idle gods whose playthings are alive. We are tiny bees of gold, bred for a life of thraldom, driven by your ciphers to secure your better future, where only we can thrive. Oh, what lies you tell us, that life itself is dear, yet we must let its seed be sold. Asylums, mothers, cocoons, and forceps beget creatures butchered by engineers. We, the infernal children, the offspring of your pyres, call to you like avid boys whose minefields are afire. We are holy imps of fear, born to a life of roguedom, driven by your splices to endure your barren future where only we are spared. Oh, what lies you tell us, that life itself is fair, yet we must do what we are told.